So I started acting when I was 12. So, and I started dancing
Okay.
when I was 8. So I pretty much been in it all my life. They'll have these different auditions. Here at the malls, they hold different auditions. Sometimes you have to pay, sometimes you don't. It really depends on who you knew and where you were going. But
Now talking about your stage, your stage drama. You do continue on doing on the theater plays, the stage drama. You how many years it's been like at this moment till 2023? How many years? Like 15, 20 years?
ooh, um, I guess you can really say, like I said, I started acting when I was 12. So, and I started dancing
Okay.
when I was 8. So I pretty much been in it all my life, pretty
Okay,
much.
anything related to art, even dance counts. Even dance counts. There's no problem. But you started like at age of 8. So we can say 25 years, 20, 25 years. What do you
25.
say?
Yeah, about about 20,
22,
23
22
years.
years,
Yeah,
22
yeah,
years. So now not talk on that. Now this part. Uh, how did the community? I mean, like parents or siblings or like father, grandfather. I don't know who are involved, but how was the support from your family? Was anyone stopping you, or was anyone like pushing you up? Hey, go do this, go do this. Tell me about that whole environment.
yeah. Yes. So again, like I said, I did start in the church as far as dancing at first. My mom, like I said, she's my biggest influence. She would take us to certain malls because they had it was if you have a mall called Greenbrier Mall down here in Atlanta, Georgia. So it's where I'm from, grew up and everything here. So I've been here my entire life. And they'll have these different auditions. Here at the malls, they'll hold different auditions. Sometimes you have to pay, sometimes you don't. It really depends on who you knew and where you were going. But
Okay, okay,
we would these different places. But
awesome.
that's mostly where the support came from. My aunties, my uncles. Like I said, my whole family is really surrounded by creators. Um, we would so besides that, my mom used to work. Well, sometimes she would have different jobs working for certain people that were in like I'm sorry, like Shelly Garrett, for example. My mom had the opportunity to work with Shelly Garrett. Shelly Garrett is like the godfather of stage plays, the godfather
Oh,
even before Tyler Perry. So I
awesome.
had the pleasure of working with Tony Terry. I worked with a young lady named Danielle Williams, who she has a show called From Born the Pulpit, and had the pleasure of working with her as well. But it's mostly I've mostly been able to connect with a lot of people that my mom knew. She kind of built, like I said, my mom built an empire. She built
Got it.
connections, and of course, I have my own connections, but a lot of it stemmed from friends that people that my mom knew, the work that my mom did, and she's like, "Hey, let me
Hmm.
bring my daughter on, let me bring my son on, let me bring my, the people around me that I know on." So
Got it.
it mostly happened like that. It was like that.
Awesome.